Hello guys, my name is Saurav Rao and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll see how to use Eclipse IDE. We know that we have lots of IDE. We have NetBeans, we have Eclipse, we have IntelliJ and many more. So main thing is why prefer Eclipse. First thing, Eclipse is available free. Even NetBeans IntelliJ is free, but Eclipse is used in industry world. So familiar with this IDE helps more. So we should know what is actually IDE. So IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, and you can do all the stuff in one thing. Like when we work with any programming language, you have first to type the source code, then you have compile the source code, then run the source code. So we use the one software in which will having all the feature like editor, compiler and run to program. In the Eclipse, you can do all these things. Then now comes on topic how to use the Eclipse. So here in the left side, you can see Project Explorer. And then in the topmost area, you can see here File, where you can create new projects and open files and many more options like import, export. Also, you can switch your workspace from here, and also you restart your Eclipse IDE. Here you can search for your project, and from here you can build your project, and from run option you can run your program and also debug your program, and lots of options given here so you can use with your requirements. And also here is a help option. If you need any help regarding Eclipse IDE, you can search from here. You can go for a new window, and you can also open perspective from here. Reset perspective, close perspective, customize perspective. In the right side, you can see option open perspective icon, and if I open that, then it gives the list of perspective. If you are working on core Java, we'll be working on Java perspective. If you are working with website web application, then you can working with Java EE perspective. So here we can use Java because we will work on core Java project. So select Java and click on open. So you can see that your Java perspective open. Then we'll discuss how to create your project. So firstly, right click, then go to new, then select Java project. Here you need to enter any project name, like I enter application, and use an executive environment JARE Java SE 1.8, and click on next, then click on finish. In the left side you go to your project, then open this, and here there is no source code. Then create a source code. So right click on SRC, go to new, and create a class, because you know that in Java everything through class. So create a class and give a class name like Java. You can also give your package name com.tutorial, and by your requirement you use your method steps which you like to create. So here I use public static void main and then click on finish. So you can see that inside src you got com.tutorial package, and inside this package you have a Java class name, and you can see public class Java and public static void main string arguments. So here we can create a simple project, system dot out dot println tutorial, and after that you can run your project. So right click on this and go to run as and select Java application, run as Java application, click on it. You can see here your output, tutorials of Java project. By following these steps you can create a simple project in Java Eclipse IDE. Thank you.